Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Tokyo Olympics Lovlina Borgohain assures India of second medal beats former world champion to enter boxing semi-final. Lovlina Borgohain has scripted history. She has assured India of its second medal at the Tokyo Olympics after beating former world champion Chen Nai-Chin of Chinese Taipei in the quarter-final of the women's welterweight boxing at the Kokugigan Arena on Friday. By virtue of a place in the semi-final, Lovlina Borgohain is assured of at least a bronze medal. She is only the third Indian boxer after Mary Kom and Vijender Singh to win a boxing medal for India at the Olympics. Intel suggests Pak terror groups plotting attacks on Jammu temples. High alert sounded. A high alert has been sounded in Jammu following inputs from intelligence agencies about Pakistan-backed terror organization Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba planning to carry out attacks on temples to spark communal tension. Sources said security has been beefed up across the city. India today has learned that terror organization may attempt to target temples in Jammu on August 5, which marks the second anniversary of abrogation of Article 370 and Independence Day on August 15. As many as three recent incidents of IEDs being dropped by drones have suggested that Pakistan-backed terror organizations are looking to compliant. Explosives had crowded places near temples in Jammu, security officials said. At least three of previous attempts of a terror plot have been foiled, a senior official in the North Block told India Today. Another officer said that drones have been used to ferry IEDs so that the receiver can plant them and carry out attacks. In February, a 7 kg improvised explosive device was found near the bus busy bus stand area in Old Jammu city. Two persons were taken into custody in connection with the case. The second incident took place on June 27, a day before a drone dropped explosives in a technical area of the Jammu Air Force Station. The terrorist identified as Nadeem Rathor of TRF was arrested and a 5 kg IED was recovered from his possession. Following his interrogation, the Jammu and Kashmir police arrested two of his associates. The arrests were identified as residents of Kashmir. Tokyo Olympics. I was asked to change my ring dress a minute before my bout. Mary Kom seeks explanations. A day after losing her round of 32 bout against Olympian Ingrid Valencia, Indian boxer Meensi Mary Kom is seeking an explanation about why she was asked to change the ring dress a minute before her quarter-final bout. Boxing great Meensi Mary Kom made a heartbreaking exit from Tokyo Olympics after losing to Ingrid Victoria Valencia of Colombia in the battle of former Olympic medalist on Thursday. It was one tight bout between two mothers, and the split decision goes in the favor of Valencia. Surprising, can anyone explain what will be a ring dress? I can ask to change my ring dress just a minute before my pre-quarter bout. Can anyone explain? Mary wrote on Twitter. Mary Kom could be seen smiling and raising her hands after the judge's decision was announced. The 38-year-old six-time world champion said she realized she had lost only after seeing former sports minister Kiren Rijiju's tweet about her bout. I thought I was winning the fight when I saw Kiren Rijiju's tweet on social media about my defeat. I was shocked and upset. After that, I don't know what to say. I can't believe a decision like this was made. I can't even protest because we are told that not allowed in this Olympics. Things like this happened to me in the past as well in the other competitions. The irresponsible optimistic mom who rose from a poverty-stricken Manipur childhood and defied her father's initial skepticism about boxing to become a six-time amateur world champion reacted to her defeat with good sportsmanship and pragmatism. The International Boxing Association currently limits boxers to 40 years old in its competitions, but it suspended for this Olympic cycle after years of problem. Even if the governing body is restated to run the Paris Olympics, it has expressed an openness to raising the age limit in the past, particularly if a celebrity fighter is interested in pursuing an Olympic sport. India Tokyo 2020 Live. Loveling Borgohain assures India of second medal, Deepika Kumari into quarters. It means a fixed start to India's action on Friday. While Deepika Kumari knocked out the Rio Olympic silver medalist to reach women's archery final, Manu Bhaker and Rahi Sarnobat failed to meet the 25-meter pistol women final. Avinash Sabale broke the national record and shone in men's 3000-meter steeplechase, but MP Zabir failed to impress men's 400-meter hurdles as athletics actions got underway. Lovina Borgohain assures India as second medal, defeats former world champion Chen of Taiwan in women's welterweight quarters. Deepika Kumari storms into quarterfinals after beating ROC's Ksenia Perova in women's individual. Duty Chand finishes 7th in women's 100-meter heat, 5 fails to make it to next round. Avinash Sabal breaks own national record, clocks 8:18.12 seconds in men's 3000-meter steeplechase but misses final berth. Manu Bhaker misses 25-meter pistol women final by whisker aimed off Indians pistol campaign at Tokyo 2020. Simranjit Kaur loses her women's lightweight round of 16 bout by unanimous decision to Thailand's Sudaporn. MP Zabir fails to qualify for men's 400-meter hurdles final, finishes 33rd after failing to match personal best.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.